Let's watch the video. What's it about?
It's about the rainforest in Belize, in Central America. There are lots of animals in the forest.
That sounds great. I love rainforests. I wonder what kinds of animals live there.
There are mammals, birds, and reptiles.
I think birds are the most interesting animals. How about you?
I like mammals the best. Let's look and see.
Belize is a small country in Central America. 75% of Belize is covered in rainforest. Many animals live in these rainforests. Jaguars are big cats that live in the Americas. They are very beautiful animals, with yellow, brown, and black fur. They are bigger than cheetahs, but smaller than lions. Belize was one of the first places to keep jaguars safe. The Belize rainforest is also a safe place for howler monkeys. These are the largest monkeys in Belize, and they can make a lot of noise. Howler monkeys stay in the trees all day and eat leaves, fruit, nuts, and flowers. Many years ago, there were only a few howler monkeys here. Now there are many more. Jaguars and howler monkeys are mammals. Belize also has many reptiles. The Morelet's crocodile lives in rivers and lakes in Belize. Can you see this one? There are 56 kinds of snakes in Belize. This is a parrot snake. And this is a boa constrictor. Can you see its head? There are many insects in Belize too. Some are very big, like this rhinoceros beetle. And some are very beautiful, like this blue morpho butterfly. The Belize Barrier Reef is the second largest reef in the world. Many fish and turtles live here. Some of the fish are very colorful. There are 3 different kinds of turtles in Belize. Thanks to the people of Belize, these animals can stay safe and healthy in our changing world.
That was very interesting.
Yes, it was. Belize is a beautiful country.
And it has some of the most colorful animals in the world.
What is your favorite animal?
I like eagles the best. They are so strong and beautiful. How about you?
I like rabbits the best. They're quiet and cute.